If we pull up the calculator like I always like to do, and we're going to multiply that 9.37 multiplied by 4322 will give you $40,000. $40,000. That is how much this seller has made from selling Canva templates that you did not even design yourself. I know you agree with me that sometimes it's very difficult to find the right templates on Canva. Sometimes you just scroll down and every template looks like something that you have seen before because it's been overused by a lot of people, and it seems like it's the same thing that is being recycled. Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you hidden Canva templates that I'm sure you've never seen. And that's not all. I'm also going to be showing you 4 places that you can sell these Canva templates and make a lot of money for yourself. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, let's dive in. So, to find these hidden templates, simply come over to your browser and type Canva directories and hit enter. And now you're going to click on the first one, which is this. Click on template directory 1. And here you can see all types of templates that you can ever imagine, all well arranged in alphabetical order. So it's easy for you to find them when you're looking for them. So let's say you're looking for something like church or Black Friday, for instance. Let's check Black Friday. So here is Black Friday. You're going to see templates on Black Friday. So all these things are templates on Black Friday. I was blown away when I found this out. Now, if you go back now and look for another category, let's click on church. Let's open up church and see the designs in church. Now, church designs always comes up very often, so you can sell templates to churches and you make a lot of money from it. I'm going to show you guys where to sell your Canva templates, and it's something that you can easily edit, so you can see different types of church designs that you can adapt. You can just change the write-up and you're good to go. So it's difficult to say this template inside of Canva design, you know, the normal place you find templates on Canva. So it's so super easy and all well arranged. So you see everything that has to do with church design, all the templates, all the styles and everything. Then here is business. Let's try business and also look at cake so that you have an idea of what I'm talking about. So here is business. So this one is about everything business. So you see templates, different types of templates, presentation templates, creative templates, and all whatnot. You can see amazing templates here. And if we go over to the other one that will open the cake templates, you can see amazing cake templates that will blow your mind. It's so amazing that you can easily customize this and sell it over and over and over, right? And it's something that you can easily do. Just click on customize and then you'll be able to customize the design just the same way you customize a normal template on Canva. So let's just pick this one for instance. Once you double click on it, it will show you customize this template, and then it will also give you different other variations that you can actually consider. But if you want to now customize this same one, all you have to do is to click on customize this templates, and then the template automatically opens. Now this is the template. You can decide to change the color to anything. Blue, you can change it to this color, you can change it to this color, you can change it to this color. You can just tweak it a bit and then change the write-up, and then you're good to go. If you want to sell this template and make money from it, you know you have to share the link, and the link you should be able to share should be an editable link where people can edit the template on their own. That's change the colors they want and change the write-up they want and stuff like that. So if you want to be able to achieve that, all you have to do is to click on share, and then on this drop-down menu, link sharing restricted. So all you have to do now is to click on this drop-down menu and click on more. Now, when you click on more, you will see different options, but the one that we're going for is template link. So once you click on template link, it's going to give us a link for the template. So we'll copy it and we'll have it right now. So if I go to incognito mode, for instance, and paste this on our browser, it's going to take me straight to the template where I can be able to edit it. So here you can see use this template. So if I click on this use this template, it's going to ask me to log into my Canva account. So that is if you don't have your Canva account logged in already, it's going to ask me to log into my Canva account. And once I log into my Canva account, I can then make changes to this template, okay? So, but always make sure you tell them that they should make a copy first and then change all the write-up and everything that they want to do for that particular one that they copied, so that they will not affect the original design. Okay, so that is exactly how you get the link that you use to sell your template. Now, about where you can sell the templates, there is a couple of places that you can actually sell your Canva templates and make good money for it. There is already existing platforms, and there are platforms that you can grow on your own. So I'm going to be sharing 4 of them with you, so stay with me, don't go anywhere. And by the way, if this video has been of help to you in any way, don't forget to like this video. Like it now so that more people will see it and benefit from it, and also it will encourage me to do even better and give you quality content that will always teach you something new every time you see it. So the first one is gumroad.com. So on gumroad.com, as you can see, you can be able to sell your templates on Gumroad and make a lot of money for yourself. So all you have to do is to create different types of templates and put it up on Gumroad and start making money with it. Now, I've done a lot of tutorial already where I mentioned this Gumroad, but I've not done a breakdown tutorial on how to sign up and everything you need to do for Gumroad. If you want to see that video, please let me know in the comment section and I'll go ahead and make that video for you. And by the way, I'm making this video for you guys that requested more of Canva videos. So I'm going to be making a playlist, a whole playlist for you guys, so please don't miss out on any of that. So the next one is Creative Market. Now, creativemarket.com is a platform where you sell digital products, and since it's already optimized for digital products, you're going to do so well selling Canva templates. But you have to be creative about it because it's called Creative Market. Okay, you have to be creative about it and sell templates that people are most likely going to search for. So you're going to learn how to put in your keywords. And by the way, I've done a video in the past where I talked about keywords and how you can actually get the best keywords and everything about keywords. Now, if you want to learn more about SEO and how you can get the best keywords that you can use for platforms like this, please, I've done a video in the past. I recommend that you go watch it now to learn everything you need to know about SEO. SEO for beginners is going to help you learn everything you need to know about SEO and keywords so that you can use it on those platforms and actually rank higher. So go ahead and check that out. And then the third one I have for you is etsy.com. Now, for instance, if I search for Canva template, here, you can see Canva templates and you can see that people are actually making money off of those templates. So this is a very good way for you to make money. I don't want you to take it for granted. Please make sure you implement on this. Let me show you how much people are making on this Canva template. Now, this is a template that is being sold for $9.37, and this guy has sold 4,322 units of it. So if we pull up the calculator like I always like to do, and we're going to multiply that 9.37 multiplied by 4,322 will give you $40,000. $40,000. That is how much this seller has made from selling Canva templates that you did not even design yourself. All you need to do is to change the text, change the color, and you're good to go. So I don't know what you're waiting for. I don't know why you think that you cannot also make money as well, but please do not take this for granted. I want you to use your Canva and make so much money, which is why I'm giving out Canva Pro accounts, and I've done a video for that. I'll leave the video in the link so that you go to that video to watch and learn how you can get Canva Pro for free. Watch the video to the end and follow all the process and all the procedure. It's totally free and it's totally legal. I want you guys to make so much money with Canva, and that is why I'm giving you guys this gift on this channel. So you guys are my family. I love you guys so much for supporting me. This channel is just 4 months old and we have grown over 9,000 subscribers. And it's something that is mind-blowing for me. I never expected any of this, but the love you guys are showing me on this channel is mind-blowing, and I love you guys so much. So anything that I can do to help you become better, to help you learn better digital skills, to help you make more money online or even start making money online, I will subscribe to that. I'm going to do that. I am ready to make videos back to back 247 just to make sure that you guys win eventually. So please don't forget to watch the video and get your Canva Pro so that you can have access to all these things, because you need to sell premium Canva designs, right? So the next one that I have for you is social media. You can sell Canva templates on social media. I have not seen any business you want to sell on social media that doesn't sell. You just need to brand yourself well. And that is why I talk so much about personal branding. And personal branding is so amazing that when you start branding yourself as a digital creator, you're going to make a lot of money, because it gives you the opportunity to be able to create anything, to be able to sell anything. So by the time you have a very good brand on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and other platforms like Facebook, you can actually make a lot of sales. Even on YouTube, you can start a YouTube channel and start teaching. If I have a template that I want to sell to you guys, I could easily sell it to you guys. But honestly, I don't have anything to sell to you. I don't have any course that I'm currently selling. I don't have anything whatsoever, no affiliate links on my channel. I just want to give you guys the very best in digital skills and how to make money online. Genuine way. I'm not just copying links and trying to sell links to you guys and all that. No, I'm genuinely reviewing any website that I share with you guys. I'm genuinely sharing ideas that you guys can use to make money, not for me to make money off of it. I want you guys to take this channel very seriously. Share it with your friends, tell your frenemies, tell your family members to subscribe to 7-Figure Boss Academy, because there's a lot of things to learn. You're going to definitely learn ways and skills that will help you achieve 7-figure income consistently. All you need to do is to just brand yourself as a social media expert, or as depending on your niche. Just find a niche that best suits you, and then you can start selling all these things on your social media handle. You can easily sell these templates on WhatsApp as well, because you already have an existing audience. All you have to do is to put up the samples on your WhatsApp story, and you will have people asking for it. All you have to do is, once they pay, you send them the link and they have access to the templates. So you can create multiple templates and sell it in bundles. That's how you're going to make money from this. In fact, as we go on, I'm going to show you guys how to do an online business, how to create bundles, how to create digital businesses and make money off of it, create bundles and all that. I'll tell you how to get your pricings right and everything that comes with it. So if this is the type of video that you want to see, please let me know in the comment section so that I can actually plan out my content for the year and also include this for you guys. I want to share all the opportunities that can ever be available online for you guys to make money with, and also digital skills that are in high demand. Now, talking about high demand, you guys requested that I make a playlist about Canva, and I've done a couple of videos on Canva, and I'm going to go put it up here now. So go watch this playlist to learn more ways to use Canva and also have access to Canva Pro as well, so that you can practice all these things and be able to use Canva to make money. See you on the other side. Thanks for watching.